Let me be clear. Black works. It's the fastest way to look pulled together. But if you want that classy, quiet, luxury, old money polish, it helps to have a few new blacks in rotation. Colors that give you the same ease and authority as black, but photograph softer, look more dimensional, and feel more intentional in real life. Because here's the truth. Black can be stunning. But in daylight, it can also look a little harsh near the face, and it's one of those colors that shows everything. Lint, fading, cheap fabric, even the wrong texture. So if you've ever worn a head-to-toe black outfit and still felt like it wasn't giving refined, it's not you. In this video, I'm walking you through 5 elegant colors that replace black, so you can keep the same polished effect without the heaviness. So here's how to think about this. We're not replacing black with random color. We're replacing it with better neutrals, shades that still feel classic, still mix easily, but look softer and more luxurious in real life. And as we go, I want you to notice 3 things: depth, so it still feels chic; soft contrast, so it flatters your face; and texture, because texture is what makes a color look polished, not flat. By the end, you'll know exactly which of these shades fits your style and why. Black is classic for a reason. It's clean, it's sharp, it's effortless, especially when you're in a hurry. And in the right fabric, black looks undeniably luxurious. Think structured wool, crisp tailoring, a satin heel, a sleek coat at night. But black also has one downside: it's unforgiving. In daylight, it can look a little severe near the face, and it magnifies quality issues instantly. Fading, lint, pet hair, pilling, thin knits that cling in the wrong way. It can even make an outfit feel heavy, especially in warmer months or transitional seasons. So the goal isn't to ban black, it's to expand your neutral palette with shades that feel just as classic, only softer, more dimensional, and often more polished. Deep navy is one of the most elegant black replacements because it gives you the same depth and authority, without the harsh edge. It reads classic, controlled, and quietly luxurious, especially in structured pieces like coats, blazers, trousers, and knits. What makes navy so flattering is that it has dimension. In natural light, it doesn't go flat the way black sometimes can. You still get that clean, refined silhouette, but it looks softer near the face and more natural on the body. The key with navy is keeping it truly deep. Think midnight, not bright blue, and let the fabric do the work. Wool, cashmere, crepe, a beautiful cotton poplin. Anything with body and a smooth finish will instantly look more polished. One thing to avoid: pairing navy with pieces that are almost black in the same outfit. That near match can look accidental. If you mix them, make it intentional with contrast. Chocolate brown is that classic, old money neutral that immediately softens an outfit while still feeling grounded and powerful. It's rich without being loud, and it looks especially luxurious in natural materials: suede, leather, wool, cashmere, even a beautifully structured cotton. What I love about chocolate is that it gives you the depth of black, but with warmth. That warmth is what makes it feel more approachable, more expensive looking, more luxurious and refined in real life. It's the kind of color that makes even simple pieces feel intentional. The key is picking the right brown. You want espresso, cocoa, deep chocolate, not anything orangey or too light, because that can start to look more casual. And this is one of those shades where mixing textures matters. Matte knit with a leather belt, wool with suede shoes, a structured bag with subtle gold hardware. Those tiny choices make chocolate brown look incredibly polished. Charcoal is the modern, understated sister of black. It has the same seriousness and structure, but it feels a little more relaxed, and often more elevated, because it looks nuanced instead of stark. Charcoal is especially powerful if you like a minimal, tailored look. In suiting, coats, knit sets, and long line layers, it reads refined and quiet without looking severe. And because it sits between black and lighter gray, it tends to look soft around the face while still giving you that polished, pulled together effect. trick is choosing charcoal with depth. Think graphite, smoke, deep gray, rather than light heather. The lighter, thinner versions can start to read casual, almost lounge, especially in Jersey. Charcoal also loves texture: wool, brushed cashmere, ribbed knits, matte crepe. That texture is what keeps it from looking flat and makes it feel truly luxurious. Quick reset: if you're already picturing one of these shades in your wardrobe, good. Because the next two colors are what I reach for when I want to look instantly more polished without looking done. They're quiet, classic, and they make basics feel intentional. Cream, ecru, and ivory are the polished light neutrals that give you that classy, quiet luxury feel without the harshness of stark white. They instantly make an outfit look cleaner, softer, and more refined, especially in daytime. What makes these shades so powerful is contrast. They create that elevated, put-together look even with very simple pieces, because light neutrals naturally look intentional. But the catch is, quality matters here more than anywhere. Thin fabric, transparency, or the wrong undertone can make cream look messy instead of luxurious. So choose fabrics with substance: cotton poplin, wool blends, structured knits, lined trousers, tailored blazers. And pay attention to tone. Ivory is usually slightly warmer, ecru has that soft beige tint, and cream sits somewhere in between. One simple rule: keep your creams consistent in an outfit. Slight mismatches can look accidental unless you're deliberately mixing textures. Deep olive is one of the most underrated elegant neutrals because it reads classic, grounded, and quietly confident. It's not trendy, it's not flashy, but it instantly makes an outfit feel more intentional than plain black, especially in daytime. Olive works because it's muted. That muted quality is what gives it that refined, old money feeling, particularly in outerwear, tailoring, and elevated fabrics like satin, wool, and structured cotton. It's also incredibly wearable if you're someone who wants color, but only in a neutral way. The key is choosing the right olive. You want deep, slightly smoky olive, not bright army green, and not anything neon leaning. The brighter the olive, the more casual it can feel. Also, avoid sporty fabrics for this color if your goal is polished. Olive looks best when it's clean lined: a coat, a trouser, a sleek skirt, a beautiful knit. If you want this to feel classy and effortless, think in combinations that look inherited, not styled. My simplest rule is 2 neutrals plus 1 texture. Navy looks beautiful with cream, ecru, and deep browns. Charcoal looks especially refined with ivory and soft taupe. Chocolate brown pairs perfectly with cream and navy because it keeps the outfit warm but still structured. Cream is easiest when you keep everything clean and tonal. Then add contrast with the leather, and olive looks most elevated next to cream, camel, or espresso tones. The texture piece is what finishes it. Suede, leather, wool, cashmere, or a subtle satin. That's what makes the palette look luxurious without adding anything loud. If you want this in a ready-to-wear way, I've put together simple outfit combinations in these exact color families, so you can just copy and go. I'll link them in the description and on my LTK with a few options at different price points. So here are your 5 elegant black replacements. Deep navy for quiet authority with softer dimension. Charcoal for modern polish that still feels classic. Chocolate brown for warm, refined depth. Cream, ecru, and ivory for that clean, classy, light neutral look. And deep olive for an understated, grounded neutral that feels intentional. Now tell me in the comments, which one are you replacing black with first? Navy, charcoal, chocolate, cream, or olive? And if you want more classy, quiet luxury outfit principles like this, simple changes that make everything look more polished, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.